Thanks for joining me. We've got a bit of a problem on today. This is the 1 Series BMW Cabriolet. It's a 2013 model year, but it's the pre-F Series. So the mirror has just fell out. It got a really hot day. It must have got hot. The glue's delaminated and the glass fell out. Been on Amazon, got myself a new one. We've just got to change it over. Got to get this old plastic backing bit off and fit the new one. It should just be held in with clips. So if you push the mirror down and across, we should be able to put his hand in there, pull that out at the top. You can see that it's coming out with all the crap that's in there as well. We've made some nests with the spiders. There we go. It's away. It's heated, so it's got 2 terminals on it. So we just need to pull those off as well. There's 1. There's 2. You can just see those little pins there, tiny little pins. But that's original BMW, and it's seen better days. New one. These come in at about 12 quid off Amazon. I'll put links in the description for it. That don't look too bad. It's got the wide angle on it as well. It looks a good fit. Let's reconnect these 2 terminals. Doesn't matter which way round these go. So he can go on the bottom. We'll get that one on the bottom. That one on the top. When you're pulling the mirror out, you need to always go from the top corner here and pull it out. Don't go from the bottom. It always comes away easier from the top. Now we just need to get this back in again, right smack bang in the middle, and push it in with a lot of surface area, dead centrally. So I give that a press now. And that is it. It is in. Nice and straightforward. A quick wipe. Job's a good one. It's in, it's done, all fixed. It certainly looks better than what that one did. If that one's been a use, nice quick fix there for you. Drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll pop links in the description, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.